Playwire is a publisher-centric company. We're always putting the publisher at the forefront of every decision we make. That helps publishers either make more money from their user base or run their business more efficiently. Playwire is a revenue amplification platform. And we built this platform for one thing and one thing only, and that's to work for the publisher themselves. No one is standing up for the publisher, and that's where Playwire comes in. We amplify the revenue. It takes a tremendous amount of the heavy lifting off the publisher, right? We want them to focus on what they're really good at, and that's making amazing content. Playwire is amazing at simplifying a very complex process. The technology changes every single month. It's not like every other business where it's pretty consistent and repeatable. What worked today will not work tomorrow. What works tomorrow will not work the next day after that. It's a constant evolution. We're constantly updating our technology. We're constantly creating the future. I'm a big believer of complete transparency and that we want to make sure that they have access to all the information that we have, that they're seeing all the same data that we have, and that's all being pushed out to them so they can make educated decisions and hold us accountable. We're the only company with our own video player and video technology. We have our own technology, we have our own sales team, and on top of that, we have unique demand you can't get anywhere else. That's a huge benefit that we're passing on to the publisher. The benefit you get from the network is really each publisher is like a snowflake. They're all unique, they're all individual, and they all have different ways of operating. So by having this mass amount of data and mass amount of efficacy around what worked and what did not work, it allows us to monetize each site. But at the end of the day, we're utilizing all that data to make the best decisions for our publishers. You know, people think that technology run businesses. People think that technology are really what innovates things. It's not technology. People run businesses. People make things happen. People, power, Playwire. The 3 Ps. We're really good at monetizing sites. We're really good at managing the technology to monetize sites. And what that really allows the publisher to do is what they do best, which is to make and create amazing content and distribute that content all across the world. So what we do is make their lives easier by making sure that they have reliable, predictable revenue and technology that works no matter what happens.